Hello guys, I hope you are all very well. And in this tutorial, we are going to automate the scenario related to the prompt of messages and how to interact with the prompt of messages or alert boxes in the Cypress. So basically, this is the scenario. Sometimes we need to automate these scenarios are related to the alert boxes and prompt of messages. For example, we need to add any text here. Uh, Cypress automation. And then we need to click on that OK button and then verify the text here what we have entered in that prompt of messages. So let's go to our script. First of all, we need that link which we are going to automate and just paste it here and Control S. Just see that okay, the page is open. So let's start our scripting here, and this is our test case. And I have defined the visiting link in before each method, and that will execute before my test case. Okay, and this is my test case, and so I need to write the script here. So let's start. First of all, I will use a method cy.window. Basically, the window method is a built-in method of a Cypress. Dot. Then I will define a function here, and will pass a parameter in it. I am passing the p, and you can pass any parameter xyz here. Okay, and I will use another built-in method here, which is a cy.stub method, and I will use it within my window method. Okay, cy.stub, and I will pass that parameter here. I am going to automate the prompt messages. Prompt. Prompt. Okay. And returns, which returns the value which we are going to write in that text box. Okay. I will add this value in that prompt text box, and I will give an uh, timeout here. Let me set a timeout here and set timeout, and I will give a 2 second. It will take a 2 second to enter that text in that text value. Okay, so it will add our text, and so first of all I will need to click on that button. Yeah, get the select for that particular button and paste it here, and dot click on it. Okay, you have entered the Cypress automation. You can see that it has entered the automatically enter that. Let me run it again. Okay, and you can see that it's visiting that link and interacted with the window and get that element and click on it, and then prompt message, stubbing that prompt messages and entering that text in that. So I will also verify the enter text here, and just dot contains. Actually, I also want to verify these values which I have entered. Okay, so no, it's like an assertion, and I am verifying these values which I have entered there, and I am also verifying that value here. Okay, let's see what's going there. Okay, I'll rerun it again, and you can see that it is visible there. And okay, and now let's change our text here. Cypress is easy to learn. Okay, and you will see that now my test case will be failed. Actually, both texts will not match, and you will see that my text, and I have entered that text there, but I am expecting this one here. So will also need to change that text here. Okay, Control S, and let's see what's happening here. Wow, it's passing. Okay, this is how we can interact with the pop-up or alert messages